Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Ready to dive into the wonderful world of watercolor painting? It's a medium that offers endless possibilities and a lot of fun. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning pieces using Unison color sticks. These versatile tools can really elevate your artwork. First things first, gather your supplies. Having everything you need within reach will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need Unison color sticks, watercolor paper, a mixing palette, a few brushes, a cup of water, and some paper towels. Each of these items plays a crucial role in your painting process. Start by sketching your design lightly on the watercolor paper. Don't worry about perfection, this is just a guide. Just get those basic shapes down. This will help you plan your composition and ensure everything fits well on the page. Now it's time for the Unison color sticks. These are the stars of our show today. Pick your colors and start applying them directly to the paper. The beauty of these sticks is their ease of use and vibrant colors. These sticks are fantastic because they offer vibrant hues and smooth application. You'll notice how effortlessly the colors glide onto the paper. Don't be afraid to blend colors right on the paper. This can create beautiful transitions and gradients. Next, take a wet brush and gently go over the areas where you've applied the color sticks. This will activate the pigments and create that classic watercolor effect. Watch as the pigments dissolve and spread. It's almost like magic. The colors will flow and blend in unique ways. For a lighter wash, use more water. This will dilute the pigments and give you a softer, more transparent look. For a denser color, use less water. This will keep the pigments more concentrated and vibrant. Alright, here's a pro tip. To create depth and dimension, layer your colors. This technique can add richness and complexity to your painting. Let each layer dry before adding another. Patience is key here to avoid muddying your colors. This prevents muddiness and keeps your colors vibrant. Working on fine details, use a smaller brush with a fine tip. This will give you more control and precision. Dip it in water and pick up color directly from the stick. This method is great for adding intricate details. This technique offers more control for intricate parts of your painting. You can achieve fine lines and delicate touches. Now, let's talk about textures. Texture can add a lot of interest and variety to your work. If you want a rough textured look, use dry brushing. This technique can create a sense of movement and energy. Lightly drag a dry brush across the paper. The bristles will catch on the texture of the paper, creating a rough effect. For smoother textures, ensure your brushes are wet. This will allow the paint to flow more evenly. Time for another pro tip. To achieve a gradient effect, start with a concentrated color at one end and gradually add water as you move along. This creates a smooth transition. It creates a beautiful transition from dark to light. Gradients can add a lot of depth and interest to your painting. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every artist does, and it's part of the learning process. Watercolor painting is all about experimenting and having fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what happens. If something goes wrong, you can lift the color with a damp brush or a paper towel. This can help you correct mistakes and refine your work. Once you're happy with your painting, let it dry completely. This will set the colors and prevent smudging. You can speed up the process with a hairdryer, but be gentle to avoid damaging the paper. Keep the dryer at a safe distance. And there you have it. A beautiful watercolor painting using Unison color sticks. Simple, right? A beautiful watercolor painting using Unison color sticks. Simple, right? The more you practice, the better you'll get. Keep practicing and you'll see improvements in no time. Each painting is a step forward in your artistic journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tips and tricks. Happy painting! Your support helps us create more content for you.